Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, sat sri akal, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Salam Alaikum. So, how you guys have been thriving? I know I have not done a video since some time, right? I know Virgo season, self reflection, and my son and sorry, my being the Venus and my sixth house being the main focus this month, which is about health, which is about healing, personal development, self reflection, and balance, and all of that. Love, self love. So I've been taking a lot of time for myself, resting, rejuvenating, and feeling better, feeling confident, feeling gorgeous. You can feel that. So yeah, let's start with a small chanting. Om Namah Shakti Shivaya. Om Namah Shakti Shivaya. Om Namah Shakti Shivaya. So, Munchkins, I know I'm thriving and I'll always be, regardless of what the external circumstances looks like. And I'm very, very confident you guys are all thriving with me because we are all collective consciousness in alignment, in integration. And Virgo is the season of being in hermit mode, not being rushing into things and reflecting and taking a step backward and contemplating on your own situations and your own intentions, decisions, connections. And while I'm doing that, I have been attracting a lot of people who wants to disturb my space. It's not their intention. It's an unconscious action that anybody takes, right? Because they are not awakened enough. So there will be a lot of energies which gets attracted because you are cleansing yourself, you are raising your vibrations, you are leveling up. You will attract a lot of energies around you, and I have been seeing a lot of energies have been coming to disrupt this process of my healing and wanting to make me feel a certain way which is unhealthy. So I make sure that I cut off those energies and forces and entities from my space. I was just laughing and telling one of my friend yesterday like how every day I'm cutting off and blocking one, two, three people every single day. It's becoming it's like a routine now. It's not an intention, but I understand where when people just say open their mouth, I can understand what energy they are coming from. I can read through their whole, body inside out, their energies inside out. And if it is not in sync, the universe keeps guiding me. Let it go with grace and gratitude. Bless them, send them love and light, and release them. It's like that. So Virgo is a season of lot of closures. Yesterday night was the full moon in Pisces, and it's amazing that we have been closing lot of cycles, lot of situations, lot of toxic beliefs, patterns, connections which was holding us back, which was blocking our growth, our expansion, because you've got to make room and space for the new energies to come, new people to enter, new situations to manifest, right? So it is very important that you got to let go of the old. So I've been doing that, and I'm sure most of you are who is in this channel watching this video can resonate with it, because you must be doing the same in your space and reality. And keep moving forward. And today I just wanted to speak on brief a topic about, are we asking the right questions? Because I have been because when you reflect, you understand that every day you take, at least I always say, at least take 30 minutes to 45 minutes of your day to self reflect that what I did today, what are my thoughts are today, how am I perceiving towards myself, people, connections, situations, experiences today, what did I learn today, what have I released today, what am I giving into today, what I'm sharing with people today, how am I receiving today, what I'm giving back today. So each day make it a small disciplined habit to reflect that what are the things, beliefs, patterns, experiences, connections, ideas, intentions, actions, inspiration, sharing, receiving, what all we have done in that day, and how are we evolving and expanding every day. So that is what is a routine I always tell. I don't know if I have spoken in the video. I'm sure I would have, because I always say reflect every day for some time so that you can understand yourself better. Who am I? Where am I heading to? What am I doing? What are my belief system? Is it blocking me? Is it helping me evolve? Is it taking me towards the path I am? And am I on the right track? What actions am I taking every day, how much I am releasing every day, what am I allowing into my space, where am I discerning the energies and stopping those negative patterns, beliefs, connections, energies that's blocking me. Reflection is very important, because when we are running and just doing, we don't allow ourselves to grow. What, you're not living a life, it's just a machine. You're not a machine. Please come on, get a life, babe, or boy, whatever, man, woman. So woman up, man up, level up, love yourself. So keep asking these questions every day in that reflection period. So what today I want to talk is, am I asking the right questions to my higher self? Am I listening to those answers for which I am seeking the answers for? Especially the beginning, today's topic is just, am I asking the right questions? If I'm asking, example, I have written to a production house for my giving my project, pitching for my project. So when I'm reflecting in a day or two after, what are the questions I'm asking to myself? Have they read my script? Are they interested? Are they going to come back and respond to me positively? Is this going to work? Are these questions I'm asking to myself, or am I asking, how can I better myself today, that I don't think about how people are perceiving about my script? What can I learn? How can I learn a new idea to pitch better way, or be in a how can I better my receptive energies, that I can receive quick response from the external forces that I'm connecting with? How am I attracting the right energies, right production houses, right people to collaborate with? What is that I need to know right now that is going to help me in my journey of ascension, expansion, growth, prosperity? These are the questions am I asking, or am I asking what are they thinking? How are they perceiving? Are they going to respond back? Is it going to be positive? What are the questions am I asking? Am I asking? You will get your questions when you are sitting to reflect. Am I asking about my development, my intentions, my inspiration, my growth, my better perspective, my my release? What am I got to release? What I need to learn? How can I be better? And am I on the right track? Am I attracting the right resources? Am I collaborating with the right energies? Am I pitching in a right way? What better I can learn? What research I need to do? And what implementation I can do from the learnings every single day, that I feel whole while pitching. I feel whole in the process of creating that reality that I have dreamt of. It is all about your feeling that is going to manifest your reality. If you feel prosperous, you will attract abundance. If you feel loved, you will attract love. If you feel whole, you will attract fulfilling connections and experiences. Exactly, right? So what are the questions I'm asking to myself every day? Am I first of all reflecting? Am I asking these questions every day? If I'm asking, what are these questions am I asking? Am I asking the right question? Am I asking about me, or am I bothered about who is doing what, where, how they are thinking, and how is it going to be with me? So these are the major significant factors that every day we sit and reflect. At least for 30 minutes we reflect. Do it in the evening, because the whole day you spend the day with people outside of you, or offices or meetings or calls or whatever. Finish it, and then by evening, finish early evening, sit and reflect for 30 minutes, and ask these questions. You can, if you can write down these questions. Am I what did I learn today? Am I missing out on something? Am I listening to myself? Am I collaborating with the right energies? Am I tapping into my infinite potential today? How can I share more of myself? What is that I need to know more? Am I in the right direction? Where am I blocking my energies? How can I be more in the receptivity, so that I can receive quick and healthy responses that is going to help me in my journey? Am I ready to receive, accept and appreciate the rejection, or say, when you're not collaborating? So am I appreciating and accepting it in a positive way, or feeling like, oh, this didn't work, that didn't work? What am I doing with myself? How am I developing? What are my beliefs? What am I perceiving? It can be every area of your life, not just profession. It can be, it also need to be your health. What am I eating? What can I better? What should I learn? Where can I go to? Where can I get these advices to about how to eat, how to sleep? What are my physical, mental, emotional, spiritual practices should be? In the love life, how can I better myself in my loving connections, my family, friends, spouse, children? How can I contribute more? How can I be of more considerate while not sabotaging or ignoring my own desires and calling? How can I be a better individual in my space, that people around me can see that how I'm just being a better version of me, I'm contributing to everybody's day-to-day growth and development? What better I can do? How am I growing? How can I share more? And at the same time, how can I receive more? I shouldn't be just giving. And how can I learn about what I deserve more? How can I show people? How can me, by being an example, express the same to people, that they deserve the best? So like, I'm taking a break, I'm healing, I'm cleansing, I'm purifying, I'm contemplating. So that's when I'm saying about it, when I'm doing that in real life, it's an example for people that, yeah, we all must do that. And when I come and share good energies about it, and everybody feels, wow, she's actually doing that and it is really working, I should also contemplate, take a break, and reflect on these things. So how am I becoming the infinite potential every single day, releasing the old, unleashing the new perspectives, new ideas, new creativity, new energies, right? Every day, new momentum. How am I admiring the process? How am I appreciating the process? How am I giving into the process every single day? That's a small reflection period every day we must keep to ourselves. It's very personal. We ask these questions. Am I asking the right questions? Keep everybody out of the equation. Nobody is there in your reflection process. It's your reflection, your development, your release, your discernment, your health, your well-being, your answers. When you ask these questions and sit with yourself, you get to find your own answer. It's nobody else, right? So, including your job, your money, your prosperity, anything, nothing. It's only your well being. You are the creator. You are creating that money. You are creating that destiny. So, every day, a few moments of self reflection and asking the right, accurate questions. going to help you in your personal development, your personal, what should I say, expansion, your own well being, because you are the driver of your car, your seat, you are the writer of your story, you are the co creator with the universe of your destiny. So give that credit to yourself. Take some time every day. Ask the proper questions. What am I doing with myself? How am I learning new things? How am I practicing implementing them? Like, I've learned that smoking has not been helping me in my stress management, my health, my well being, my personal development, my resolutions. Then, how can I get rid of this habit? How can I better my? It doesn't happen in a day, but at least you intended to find an answer. Tomorrow you intend, you ask your question, am I implementing the answer? Am I incorporating the tool that I have received as an answer from the universe? Am I doing that? And how better I'm doing that? Am I developing in that process? So that a reflection is your own assessments. Do that every day and listen to those answers. Ask the right questions to the universe. If you want, you can write down, and when you receive the answers, you can write down. You follow those guidelines that you have been receiving from your subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind is the universal directory. All the answers and questions are there inside of you. Questions also, answers also, सब यही आपके दिमाग के अंदर सारा कुछ है. You got to tap into your higher consciousness to listen to yourself. So do that, find your answers, take those steps, get into your journey of growth. No more procrastination. So what if we did not do that yesterday? So what, I did hurt myself yesterday? So what, I walked away from the person I love the most? So what, I did hurt someone, or my actions, we don't hurt anybody, my actions did hurt anyone. So what, I didn't speak the right language or right thing? So what, I ate and fed myself all toxic? So what, I have been listening to my parents and society and building an image, a facade that was not helping me grow or be authentic? So what, today is the day, now is the moment of change. Start reflecting, start asking those questions, find your own answers, start implementing, and give in to the journey of growth, healing, expansion, love, well-being, union with your own higher self, right? So this is what I wanted to share, and gone long, and I'm going to record 2 more videos today. So I'll see you soon. Before we tune in the next video, Shabba Khair, love and light, keep thriving, my lovely munchkins.